the Buzz Cooking Show. Your host, Buzz Waring, and this is our guest.
I'm Max.
We have sprinkles and we're gonna be making...
Today we're making glazed donuts. Also, we're making jelly-filled donuts. Since we're doing this with yeast, it'll take 2 days. We are starting tonight, and we will be finishing up tomorrow.
And it's gonna be a long process. Thanks for joining us. I'm gonna add the sugar to the milk.
To this bowl. Yeast is kind of alive. It's like a living organism. And I'm gonna
pour this in first. And I also have to stir it to dissolve all the sugar.
That's what the yeast looks like.
Whoa.
So you can't see it moving. Remember our last sleepover? Well, remember the double-decker bus sleepover? That was fun.
That was your first sleepover?
Yeah, that was my first sleepover ever. We have added the butter and the eggs to this mixer, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to turn it to 3. Then you need to pull the yeast in. Now, very carefully, like right on the edge. So, we messed up. We forgot to add the milk, so we're kind of playing with the messed up batch, but we are redoing it, shape it or whatever.
Make it like a mountain. Oh, make the mountain part. You make the little. No, just make little lines like this.
Well, we gotta get like some train in here too.
Okay.
Baby, we got like a back. Are you trying to climb it on too?
The monster comes.
But he's fighting.
Oh, the monster rolls away.
He's been flattened.
The monster has 2 people. Oh, monster.
Let's split apart.
Everything is gonna have to knead for a second. Well, 5 minutes. Now the giant space worm has a new face. He now comes for you.
The giant space worm.
New giant space worm. New giant space worm.
Right now, we are moving the bowl with the dough in it to an oily bowl, and then we are going to put that in the fridge overnight. And it'll just kind of sit in the fridge untouched, and in the morning, we'll be back.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Welcome back. So, I like to cook like cookies. I cook eggs sometimes. The first pie I ever made was like a strip pie. We are putting the donuts into the oven, but we do not want to close it because the yeast releases some kind of gas, and also you want to have your oven at the lowest possible setting and keep it open. Buzz, remember that time where it was your birthday and your birthday party was starting by me falling off the treehouse?
And we picked strawberries. Oh, remember whenever we were jumping in that big puddle of mud?
Yeah, that was funny.
Well, we couldn't make donuts. Well, we tried, but we kind of failed. They're not that thick.
Like, they didn't rise. I think I'd like the chocolate sprinkle.
These look great.
Yeah. I'm gonna start with this one. I haven't had a donut in such a long time.
Oh, it's so good.
Tastes like bubblegum.
What is it? Thanks for tuning in to the Buzz Cooking Show.
We'll see you next time.